A door is a threshold. It separates and connects two spaces. The door handle initiates the threshold, allowing passage from one world to another, opening a new and previously inaccessible way. In The Eyes of the Skin, Johanni Plasma once said, "Door handle is the handshake of the building." In this video, we will explore the semiotic analysis, the engagement of senses, and transformation of door handles. The first door handle we're examining belonged to a historical door at the Rothesra House. The building was originally constructed in 1869 and reconstructed after the World War II damage. The door handle is an ornamental one indicating an acanthus leaf. It is made of iron. The door handle's color is visually different from the rest of the door due to touch and usage. When observing the handle at a distance, the triadic sign model for this door handle is rhematic, iconic, qualisign, where the aesthetic form of the door handle is appealing to the senses to the interpretant, resemblance of leaf as an object, and captivating a strong material appearance. The clear and strong symbol of the acanthus leaf ornament resembling longevity enhances the door as an artwork. The material emerges as the very existence of human embodied immaterial emotion, feelings, and wisdom. On the detail level, it is an argumentative indexical sign. The horizontal apparatus and keyhole feature give hint about its function and use. The context gives it singularity and makes it a unique door handle. The second door handle is a modern example at the James Simon Gallery. The building opened in 2019. The building is a hybrid of neoclassical and modern design. The door identifies easily with the sequence of arrival from stair to portal to gate. The triadic sign model for this door handle is dicentic, iconic, leggy sign. The door handle is an apparent contrast to the masonry and glass around it. Its sublime form indicates a clear sign of a door handle. At the detail level, it is argumentative indexical qualisign. The prominent material qualities of the worn-on paint due to touch and usage indicates sense of time. The imprint of the hand is an index of the door handle that evokes a sense of tactile intimacy and guides one to touch it. The strong materiality of brass and paint reveals that this is a building that stretched generations to come. In the modern building types, especially the public ones, we see more and more handleless doors due to contemporary hygienic and accessibility demands. Door handles are replaced with sensors where one can transition from one space into another without touching physical objects. The sensor does the sensing act for human and bypasses the physical interaction between the user and the building. The last example is an automatic door at a coffee shop. The glass door is handleless but equipped with a sensor on the top. The triadic sign model in this case is dicentic, iconic, leggy sign. The color glass door itself is indicating its function as a threshold. As one approaches the door slowly opens itself and takes one through the threshold. Take a closer look at the sensor. It is then dicentic, symbolic, leggy sign. Door handle disappeared and transformed to a sensor that enacts the threshold. One does not handshake the building anymore. It is senseless, bacterialess, and handleless. Examining the semiotic of the door handle using the triadic sign model, we discover the transformation of door handle throughout time. In The Eyes of the Skin, Plasma discusses architecture concerning the phenomenological qualities of the world and the human experience, including the effects of light and shadow, the flow of time, memory, and imagination. The paradigm shift of door handle in modern buildings evokes different experiences transitioning through spaces. From touching an iron ergonomical symbolic door handle to enter a courtyard in the first case, to the James Simon Gallery, that material of door handle is a hint for the sensory grasp to open a door, and to the last example, where door handle disappeared and replaced with a sensor which does the sensing job for us. The multisensory capacities are reduced due to living with modern needs.